Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Sheena. If you have never been here before, and my channel is SheenBalla, go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe and share my channel if you like my content, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Today I'm gonna do a chemical peel on my face. Like, I'm scared. This is my first time doing anything at home outside of like washing my face. I just have a very basic skincare routine. Sometimes I'll get fancy and do a sheet mask or like a charcoal mask, a clay mask, but that's the extent of it. I follow a lot of skincare people on Twitter and Instagram, and skincare is all the rave. Like, who knew we should be taking care of our skin? But normally we go to like a dermatologist or an esthetician, but there are a lot of companies that make products that you can take home and use at home. So I was in Target one day and I found this product, the No7 Glycolic Anti-Aging Glycolic Peel Advanced Renewal. So I'm gonna try it. I FaceTimed one of my friends and was like, what do you think about this? It's half price. So this is my first go around. It was $26.99 and it was $13.48 when I bought it on clearance. Can't beat clearance. I have already washed my face with the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Gel. There we go. I get this from Sephora. I like this one. It's oil-free, anti-wrinkle technology, clarifies and brightens with glycolic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, extracts of peach, white oak bark, lemon, lime, linden, grapefruit, and arginine, and for all skin types except for sensitive. It's really drying, so if you have dry skin, you want to make sure to moisturize really heavy if you choose to use it. I like it because it seems like it gets your skin like really squeaky clean. The kit itself, and I also like got deep down with this scrubbing brush, Sonic Dermabrasion. My mom gave it to me as a Christmas gift one year. I have no clue where she got it from or how much it costs, so pretty sure you could find one on Amazon, or I believe Clarisonic is a pretty popular brand of scrubbers, face brushes that you can use. I'm sure they all do the same thing. So it comes with a little leaflet. It was all rolled up in, but I didn't want to be fumbling with it. Trying to talk to you guys. So what's a glycolic peel? A glycolic peel is a standard cosmetic procedure used by dermatologists to renew the skin's surface. It acts as an intense exfoliator, sweeping away dull and dry skin cells to reveal new skin cells underneath. The action of revealing new skin cells in this way helps to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for brighter, younger skin. And it goes on to talk about the company's experience with their consultant and everybody else, blah, 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 blah. How does it work? No7 Advanced Renewal is a two-step treatment comprising a gentle glycolic peel solution and soft neutralizing pads. The peel solution works to exfoliate the skin's surface and lifts away dull, tired skin cells. I got tons of those, I'm sure. The neutralizing pad then works by halting the action of the gentle glycolic peel solution. They contain a blend of provitamin B5, Icelandic moss, and licorice extract to calm and moisturize your skin after the treatment, leaving it soft and comfortable. So it says for best results, use the regimen as directed twice a week on non-consecutive days for 4 weeks. Don't use more frequently than that. I'm assuming you can over exfoliate your face. Probably so. If you keep getting rid of the old skin, like, and you're doing it all the time, it would just be you're getting rid of new skin at that point. And then what are you doing? All right, so let's see what's in this box. Standard little box. The brush doesn't stay put. I've opened this box a couple of times and it was not put in the store, you know. It was all loose in the thing. So it comes with a brush. It looks like a fan brush that you would do your highlighter with. Little brush. And then the peel. Nice little smooth glass container. The Boots Company, Nottingham, England. This is the mixing dish, just a little clear petri dish kind of thing. And these soft neuralizing pads. Okay, no, so it's not gonna focus. I know my camera is not good at focusing. No real smell. It smells like something you would put on your skin. It's not very strong. I'm gonna get all set up here. Let's see what it says. Step 1, add 4 pumps of the Renewal glycolic peel solution to the mixing dish. Dab the brush in and gently apply the solution to your face, beginning with your forehead, moving to your cheeks, nose, and chin. Take care to avoid the delicate skin around your nostrils, lips, and eye area. Leave the solution on for no longer than 5 minutes before moving on to step 2. I have my phone here to make sure that I can keep up with the time. I am going to squirt 4 pumps or no pumps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Smells like chemicals. That's not very much. That didn't really help. But it's kind of thick, like it moves very slowly around the thing. Put the cap back on that. And let's apply. I'm kind of nervous, but whatever. Yeah, whatever, right? So I'm gonna pick it up here. Okay, let me find my timer, you guys, and here goes nothing, right? Start. So it says put it on your forehead. And then your cheeks. It does have a tingle to it, like as soon as you put it on your face. Okay, that's all of it. Set that aside. And yeah. Okie dokie, 5 minutes are up. I'm gonna take the pads. I pulled out 3 just in case, and so I wouldn't be fumbling with them because it says 5 minutes and then take it off. I started the clock and then put on 5 minutes, so hopefully it'll be okay. And I'm just going over it with the second one. And now I'm gonna rinse my face and be right back. Okay, look how shiny my skin is. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it's so freaking dry. That was really uneventful. Let's see. I wash it away with plenty of cold water. If you use it in the evening, make sure to put a night cream, but if you put it on during the day, use SPF. I'm not going anywhere. It's snowing out here, so I'm not going anywhere. I am going to put on just this oil of Olay cream, active hydrating original cream. I got this from Target before too. I was just looking for like a basic moisturizer, and I kind of like went back old school. I used to use oil of Olay all the time, and I needed something non-SPF because I think the SPF was making my skin really sensitive, so I kind of laid off of it for a little bit, and I needed something quick, fast, and hurry. So I'm gonna moisturize my face with that. get my neck. Let's see. So it'll say over the next 7 days, your skin will need extra care because it'll be more sensitive to the sun. Keep a moisturizer with SPF or sunscreen during the day. Wear protective clothing and limit sun. So interesting. Some of the warnings that it has: don't use in combination with any other exfoliation products such as alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids, lactic acid, phenol, fruit acids, retinol, or medication for treatment of acne. So if you're under any like doctor's orders, you have dermatologists that has something for your skin, or you know, you're using some other type of peel system, I would refrain from using this one according to the directions. It's not intended for those with skin conditions, broken, inflamed, or injured skin, seborrheic dermatitis. I don't know. Y'all know I can't pronounce. Chronic eczema, psoriasis, severe acne, rosacea, pregnancy mask, or sunburn. Yeah, if you have sunburn, I definitely wouldn't want to put that on because it does tingle a good bit. But it like tingles and it doesn't increase in tingling. It was like it tingles and that's it. Like, you know how you get a relax and it's like, oh, that's a little bit burn. And then it's like, holy crap, my whole head's on fire. It's not like that. So yeah, this will be interesting. I look forward to doing more peels. It says do it 4 times a week. No, geez, twice a week on non-consecutive days. So don't do it back to back. So today is Wednesday. Maybe I'll do another on Friday. For 4 weeks. So Wednesday and Friday will be peel days, and we'll do like before and after shots to see what my skin looks like. What peels are you guys using? Let me know in the comments. Tweet me at SheenBalla. Find me on Facebook. Let me know what you use, what type of peels you prefer, what type of exfoliation you prefer. Yeah, let's chat about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the thumbs up if you think this video deserves a thumbs up. And if not, let me know why it doesn't in the comments. We'll talk to you guys later. See ya!